Some things to remember when it comes to garage door springs is they are on a life cycle. You can only open and close your door so many times before they will break. So it's not an uncommon thing, or something has not necessarily even gone wrong with your door if the spring is broken. Also, something to keep in mind is usually on a double door like this, there's 2 springs. If one of them is broken, usually it's recommended you replace both springs during the same visit. It's more affordable that way, as well as the other spring is probably at the end of its life cycle as well.